welcome to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. I'm always so happy to see all of you. I hope you guys are doing well and ready for the Halloween. Are you guys going to any party and dressing up for your costume? Myself, I haven't decided. I have a costume, but I'm still thinking. But I still have a week to think about it, or over the weekend, so I'll be ready. So I hope you're gonna have a fun time over this weekend. If you're going to any Halloween party or like Universal Studio, like not Scary Farm or something like that, have fun and enjoy the scare, right? So if you're thinking to make something for the Halloween, go check out my tutorial. Here is the Pikachu Kirby pumpkin, and you can also add a light inside the pumpkin to light it up, so it will be nice for like a decoration or give it to somebody that you like, right? So check out this tutorial here. Last week I showed you guys how to make Winnie the Pooh, right? So this one is super cute and super easy to make. So if you haven't built this one, make sure to check out the link in my description, and you can start building this one first. And then over the weekend I was able to make this one, the Piglet, right, from this series, and also brought them to the beach, so it was so much fun. I hope you can make both of them as well. So today I'm gonna bring you the tutorial to make this one. Super cute. So if you guys also want me to make other characters like the tiger or other characters, comment down below and let me know. So yeah, I will try to work on them. And also follow me on Instagram and Pinterest, because a lot of time I post my free digital pattern there, so maybe it's easier for some of you to build them with my pattern, and you can watch my tutorial to assemble them. Alright, so again, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting, and I hope that you found this channel very helpful to you if you want to make some perler arts and 3D perlers. Make sure you subscribe by clicking the button and the bell so you will get notification whenever I post new video. And if you're returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for all your support, and without your support I wouldn't be able to continue making more, so stay tuned for more. Alright, so let's get started for this tutorial today. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started with the head. So this will be the connector for us, and then let's start with this piece right here. So as you can see, the white beads right here, so we're gonna go all the way here. All right, looking good. And then we're gonna go from, let's go from the back. So from here, we're gonna bring this to the back, first one, and then second one. All right, looking good. And then we're gonna add this piece right here. All right, looking good. And then we're gonna continue with this to the back, and then one more. All right, so I think this side looks better like this. Yeah, let's get. All right, so we're gonna fill up the front. So this one first. And then we're gonna go this one, and then this one, looking good. And then we're gonna add this little connector right here, and then this one to the front, and then last one right here. All right, looking perfect. So let's add the bottom to stabilize all the pieces. So this one will be right here. All right, and then this one, let's add to the top. Okay, yeah, I think this side is better. So I always found the side that is like more flat, and then this one will be on the top. All right, so a couple more pieces right here. So this will be even. So this one right here, and then adding this one on the outer piece. All right, looking good. We're almost done. Last two pieces right here. And then one more. Perfect. All right, let's move on to the body. All right, let's get started with the body. It's very easy to build, as you can see. All right, so let's deal with these 3 pieces to start with. So this will be the first one, so let's connect it, and then this will be the second to follow, and then this will be the third right here, looking good. And this will be the center connector. Let's insert it. Ouch. All right, so all the way it will have 1 2 3 4 5, no, 4. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4 left in the front. All right, so let's go from here. So this one first right here, and then this one onto the top, and then this one right here, and then this one I'm gonna leave it for later. And then let's go to the back. So this one will be coming first, and then this one second, and then last piece right here. All right, looking good. All right, let's close up the top. Yep, all right, and then let's add the bottom. Bottom is going this way. Yay. All right, so let's move these pieces over here, and we're gonna go to this side first. The first one, and then second, I think so, and then we're gonna insert this one right here. Yep, and then on this side, this one first, and then second, and then we're gonna insert this one as well. Okay, not upside down. Okay, looking good. And this one goes to the front. Yay. All right, let's bring back the head right here. So we're done with Piggy. Yay! If you make this one and also Winnie the Pooh, tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. Look, they're super cute. If you want me to make tiger, comment down below and I'll work on that one. But let me know, okay? If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!